This is going to be tough emotionally for us to leave him here.
Emotionally, I think I've had a lot of tears all this summer, so I haven't cried at all today, and I'm hoping I can keep it together, but it's such a great experience for him, and we are so proud.
It's a big step going to college, whether you're in or out of state, but we try to make you feel at home.
It's move-in day number 1, moving in about 800 students. I think we have engineered a pretty savvy process here, if I do say so myself. We pride ourselves on being both friendly and welcoming, but also pretty efficient.
So basically we have about 15, 20 volunteers per dorm, and you'll roll around in your car, you'll park it.
There's a fleet of students that comes and unloads your car.
Grab everything, stick them in the bins, carry them on up to the students' room and get that part taken care of so that the families and students can sort of spend their time and energy focused on getting settled, making friends, starting to build connections and community.
I think our car was unpacked in less than 5 minutes.
The students downstairs were super, super helpful. We had 2 boys that went to a bigger university, zero help. Down here's been really, really great.
We had someone pull up with a full racing simulator, which was really, really sick.
So one of the first few cars was just like snacks.
We saw what we thought was a big fuzzy dog in one of the cars. Lo and behold, it was a giant fuzzy beanbag. We truly could not do this without a true community effort. So it's everything from our student volunteers and just about every department on campus. We really put a broad call out for support, and indeed we get tremendous support from so many of our colleagues. Enjoy the experience. This is a major, life moment and a transition, and we are certainly here to make it a really exciting one to really kick off our newest class's time on campus and really jump right into immersing our students in all the things that Mines has to offer.
It's a beautiful campus. It's a great university, and we're just super excited he's here.
Go Orediggers!